Consider a population where 16% of the individuals display the recessive phenotype. Since the frequency of individuals with the recessive phenotype is Q squared in the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, in a population where Q squared is 0.16, then the frequency of the Q allele in the population is 0.4. Since P plus Q equals 1, or 100% of the alleles of the population, when Q equals 0.4, P, the frequency of the P allele, must be 0.6. In a population where 60% of the sperm and ova possess the dominant P allele, and 40% of the sperm and ova possess the recessive Q allele, one can calculate the frequency of individuals who are homozygous for the P allele, or P squared, heterozygotes with both the P and Q alleles, or homozygous recessive Q squared for the recessive Q allele. Note that the sum of the homozygous P individuals, the heterozygotes, and the homozygous Q individuals equals 1, 100% of the individuals of the population, just as P plus Q, the frequency of these two alleles, equals 1, 100% of the alleles of the population.